Ileana's birthday. And I'll be showing you guys what today looks like and what to. I thought it was just gonna be.
It's on my leg.
We're never gonna go to the pool today. He always wants that. I don't know. He said, I wish I was Marshmallow, but I'm like, ew. What's freak? Well, I will. So my phone is not waterproof. So I'm sorry that I can't. We can't even go to the pool. I was thinking about going to the pool today. We have a pool out there. You know what? Yeah, see my hand? It's getting wet. I'm gonna put you guys out there. I'm just kidding. I know you guys love my videos, so that's why I'm saying subscribe to my channel, like, and comment down below. Cinematic. Peace.